pizza. Welcome to the Space Police Show. Hey, what's going on? Look out! Space Police. We gotta get them. We gotta get them. What are we supposed to do now? Holy crap. Call the Space Police. There's no one to call you now. There's no one to call you. Hey, I'm just going to dial in on speed dial. You'll never get through with that. Yes, I will. I'm going home to go get it. Yeah. Hello, Space Police. Well, watch out. Layer City's being invaded. The Space Police City. Well, we'll be right on our way. Emergency. I just got a call. Gotta go in. I'm going. Oh no. He's about to kill another person. No! I gotta call the Intergalactic Enforcer. Meanwhile, and then I got locked out of my car again. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. There's no one to save you. Yes, there is. Look over there. It's the Intergalactic Enforcer. Boom. Got it back. We're landing. Uh-oh. Oh no. This shoulder our plans. You're under arrest, Squidtron. And that's the end of the Space Police Show. Which actually put it back to the city. The end.